an adult. You see that moon up there? It's about as full as it gets right there. And it's cold, and the rut has got to be happening. I saw signs of it a week and a half ago, and I haven't had a chance to get back out other than to scout. And I've always wanted to be one of those guys that hunts on Halloween, but I have kids, so I don't know that that's going to be a possibility until after my kids are grown and out of the house. But that's alright. Priorities are priorities. Provide by going to work, even when all you want to do is go sit up in a tree somewhere. Oh, you know it. You know it's happening. You know that they're out there moving around. Yeah, priorities. Provide, and then obviously make memories for your kids. The Halloweens, be present, and then somewhere down the line is be selfish and do your deer hunting. So it's a tough pill to swallow.